Good news. Our Dar al-Iftar phone service has been established for Muslims outside of Pakistan, especially for those in UK and South Africa. And indeed, the rest of the world can gain Shari guidance by phoning Dar al-Iftar on the following numbers. Pakistan time, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. UK phone number 0044-121-318-2692. South Africa 0027-31813-5691. Note, the above numbers are local numbers, so calls will be charged at the local rate. Friday is a holiday. Apart from this, Muslims in Pakistan may already contact Dar al-Iftar using the following four numbers: 0300 022 0112, 0300 022 0113, 0300 022 0114, and 0300 022 0115. The timings in Pakistan are 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. Please note there will be a break for namaz and lunch between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Also note, Friday is a holiday.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।